Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make taco shells using lumpia wrappers. First, gather your ingredients: lumpia wrappers, a neutral oil like vegetable or canola, and a small bowl of water for sealing. Next, prepare your cooking area, whether you plan to fry or bake. Then, take each lumpia wrapper and carefully cut it in half, creating 2 rectangular pieces from each original wrapper. This simple preparation sets the stage for delicious, crispy taco shells. Now, let's cook these wrappers into perfect shells. If frying, heat about 1 inch of oil in a pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a wrapper half into the hot oil for about 30 seconds, or until it turns golden brown and crispy. For a baked option, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly brush the wrappers with oil and bake them for approximately 5 minutes until they are golden and firm. The key to perfect taco shells is shaping them while they are still warm and pliable. If frying, as soon as you remove a wrapper from the oil, quickly drape it over a pair of tongs or a taco shell rack to create the classic U-shape. For baked shells, drape the lightly oiled wrappers directly over 2 bars of your oven rack before baking. Let them cool completely for several minutes. This allows them to firm up and hold their shape beautifully. With your crispy, homemade lumpia wrapper taco shells ready, it's time for the best part: filling them. Load them up with your favorite seasoned meats, fresh vegetables, cheese, and salsa. These versatile shells are also fantastic for dessert tacos, perhaps with fruit and whipped cream. Any extra shells can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, ready for your next taco night. Enjoy your creative culinary adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.